Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Flatpak Manager by running the following command. After that, enable Flatpak using the next command. Install Qoobar using the following command. Once installed, go into your desktop. There you will see the Qoobar by icon, or you can find it by the system search bar. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.